Pig. Color பண்ணுங்க. Pink color பண்ணுங்க. We'll do it. நல்லா பண்ணுங்க. Color it properly. Color it neatly, da Satwanthee. Make it neat. Do it neatly. Very good. Now color the face of the pig. Color it neatly. Color the horse now. Very good. Now this is the legs and tail of the horse. Color this with brown color. Okay, very good. Thank you. Now this is a hen. Color this. Hen, back or tail of the hen. This is head. Head of the hen. Very good. Now the tail alone. Here alone you color with black. This is cow. Tail here you color. Angalla tail matto. Inge mattum black பண்ணுங்க. Legs inge matto. கீழ matto. பொறு. இங்க legs inge matto. கீழ மட்டும் போதும். enough. Now Satwanthee, see, now look here baby, look here. Now we have cut the back portion of the farm animals. Okay, can you match it with the body of this? Yeah, take it.
Fevicol.
Yeah, you want to stick it with the Fevicol. Take it.
Pig.
It's a pig. Wow, awesome. You identified it. Very good.
Which command?
Enough. Apply it.
Oops.
Oops. Yeah, apply it. Very good. It's okay. You don't do it. Now, can you paste it? Yes, correct. Awesome. Yes, super da. Very good. Now, next.
Horse.
Wow, very good. Come on. It's a very cool. Yeah, do it. Come on.
Elephant.
Yeah, okay, correct. Come on.
Oops.
Apply it properly. Neatly all over. Spread it fully. Can you spread it fully? Okay. Awesome. Now, come on. It's okay. Where to paste it?
Yes.
Superb. Satwanthee. Very good. It's correct. Leave it. Yeah. Next. What is the remaining? Take it. What is it?
Hen.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Correct. Hen. Correct. Keep it here and do it. Apply it thoroughly. Leave it. Apply it fully. Fully the paper on the paper. Correct.
E.
Don't wipe it in your dress. Don't do that. Okay.
E.
Now. Does it go correct?
Red.
No. I don't. No. You're wrong, baby. How does the chicken look like? Join it. See, it's cut into two half. Join it now. Come on. You do it. Hey. Sattu. Okay. Very good. Next. What is it? Next, what is it? What is in your hand? We have joined it. Don't take it. You can't take it now. It's stuck. We can't take it now. Tell me what is in your hand. What animal is in your hand?
It's no.
Now apply it. Come on. Apply it all over. Spread it on the paper. Spread it neatly. Very good. Spread it neatly. Superb. Very good. Okay. Now, come on. Where? What is it? How? First. Very good. Awesome. Now, can you name the animals? What have you stuck it?
Horse. Hen. Pig. Cow.
Done.